Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we got our 2013 Ford Fusion, and we have the check engine light on. We're gonna check the check engine light and see what's wrong. Right? So we've got our OBD2 scanner hooked up to the OBD port, and we're gonna hit enter, diagnostic, give it time to go through the ECU to figure out what the problem is. It says that our light is on, so we're going to check it. We're going to read that code, the stored code, and it's the manifold absolute pressure, biometric pressure. And that's the only code we have on. So we're going to start the car and see if we can see what the symptom is. There's not a major symptom except that the idle is a little fluctuating, but besides that, there's not huge symptoms, but it was something you'd want to fix because you're going to have bad fuel mileage, because you have the mass airflow sensor, but you also have the MAP sensor, which is the manifold air pressure sensor, and so we need to we're going to go over how you replace that, and then that way your fuel mileage will stay where it's supposed to be. So to replace the MAP sensor, or the manifold air pressure sensor, it's right down here attached to the intake manifold. And it's just one bolt, a size 20 screw to undo, and then this clamp here, which you've got to press and pull apart, and then you would just undo the bolt, pop that out. It's got a little gasket in there, O-ring, pop it out, and then pop your new one back in, and then make sure that you take your electrical connector and connect it back up until it snaps. And now, once you've replaced that, you can go ahead and clear the code and make sure that that is the only problem that you had on your car. So, we're back in the car. We got the key in the on position, or the accessories. Well, all the way on, but the engine not started, right? So, with the scanner still hooked up, we're going to go back, and we're going to go down here where it says erase codes, and we're going to erase it. We're going to say yes, because we did fix the problem. And now just go ahead and start the car. And everything seems like it's working correctly, so we know that we have fixed that. And then, yeah, so that's how you replace your manifold air pressure sensor on your Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.